Did you know that ruby-throated hummingbird at your feeder, it can visit over 1,000 flowers in a single day just to get enough energy? And that dazzling red throat? Its microscopic feather structures bending light like a living prism. The bright colors aren't from pigments, but from microscopic platelets in the feathers that refract light, creating iridescence. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. These tiny birds weigh less than a penny, yet they fly 500 miles non-stop across the Gulf of Mexico during migration. Some species migrate from Alaska to Mexico, over 3,900 miles every year. They can't walk. Their legs are so small they can only perch and shuffle sideways. All other movement is done in flight. Their wings beat up to 80 times per second, and their hearts, they can race at 1,200 beats a minute, even faster than a mouse's. They're helicopter-level flyers. Hummingbirds can hover in place, fly backwards, sideways, straight up, and even upside down. And they do it all without the wind. Built-in jet engines. Their wing joints rotate 180 degrees, letting them pull power from both the upstroke and the downstroke, something almost no other bird can do. They burn calories so fast, they have to eat half their body weight in sugar every day. That's like a human drinking 1,000 cans of soda every 24 hours. If a human had their metabolism, we'd need to eat around 150,000 calories per day just to survive. At night, they can slow their heart down to just 50 beats a minute, called torpor, so they don't starve before sunrise. During torpor, their body temperature can drop to near freezing to conserve energy, then spike back up in seconds when they wake. Their brains make up about 4.2% of their body weight, the largest brain-to-body ratio of any bird. Micro-brain, mega-power, giving them incredible spatial memory for remembering every flower and feeder location. The humming sound isn't their voice, it's the frequency of their wings vibrating the air around them. Their tongues are forked and lined with tube-like grooves that use capillary action and a snapping mechanism to draw in nectar at up to 20 licks per second. Stunt pilots in the sky. Males can dive at speeds approaching 60 miles per hour during courtship displays, creating a loud chirp when air rushes over their tail feathers. The ruby-throated hummingbird's non-stop Gulf of Mexico migration flight is like a human running 10 back-to-back marathons without eating or drinking. Tiny but territorial. They will aggressively chase away hawks, crows, and even snakes from their feeding areas. Some species have beaks curved perfectly to match the shape of specific flowers, a result of coevolution of the millions of years. They have fewer feathers than almost any other bird, around 900 to 1,000, making them ultralight and aerodynamic. They can see into the ultraviolet spectrum, detecting flower markings humans can't see. Short but bright lives of only 3 to 5 years in the wild, but the oldest known hummingbird lived over 9 years. So, next time you see a hummingbird hover, remember, you're watching one of nature's most extreme athletes, running on sugar, light, and sheer determination.